Whether you're a weekend warrior tackling DIY projects or a professional looking to up your game, there's one tool that can truly revolutionize your workspace: the electric drill stand. Picture this: you're drilling into a piece of wood, metal, or even plastic, and all you want is a clean, straight hole. Sounds simple, right? But the reality is, without the right support, your drill might wobble, your angle could be off, or your hands might just not have the stability needed for perfection. That's where the electric drill stand comes in, a game changer for precision and convenience. So, what exactly does an electric drill stand do? Think of it as the drill's best friend. It holds your drill securely in place, freeing your hands to focus on guiding your material. With its adjustable height, you can handle a variety of tasks, from drilling small pilot holes in delicate materials to powering through thicker, tougher surfaces. Plus, most stands allow you to set your drill at precise angles, opening up possibilities for more complex and creative projects. Now let's talk about why this matters. First off, accuracy. If you've ever tried to drill perfectly straight by hand, you know how tricky it can be. A drill stand eliminates the guesswork, ensuring that every hole is exactly where you want it to be. And because it minimizes vibrations, it also helps protect your materials from unintended damage. Then there's versatility. Whether you're assembling furniture, installing shelving, or crafting intricate designs, the drill stand adapts to your needs. And let's not forget safety. By keeping your drill stable, it reduces the chances of accidents, making it an essential addition to any workshop. But here's the real beauty of a drill stand: it doesn't replace your drill, it enhances it. You get to keep using your trusted tool, but with added precision and stability that takes your projects to the next level. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to uneven holes and wobbly drilling, an electric drill stand might just be the upgrade you didn't know you needed. It's the secret to professional level results. Whether you're building, repairing, or creating something entirely new, take it from the pros: your drill deserves a stand, and your projects deserve the best.